What's up guys, welcome to another China vlog. I'm out here in a little city called Qingdao, which you might be familiar with. Qingdao as in the beer. Just on this little market street at the moment, I got like some sort of hot dog thing, but it's really chewy. They also sell some other really interesting food, which I'll bring up now. Maybe I can try one of these things if you guys really want me to. I'll put a picture up on Facebook and see. But at the moment I'm on my way to the Qingdao brewery where they make all the beer. And yeah, I'm pretty excited, so let's go there now. Okay, many wrong buses later, I see the Qingdao factory off in the distance. Let's go see if we can get in. Well, I'm trying to get into this factory, guys, but as usual in China, oh, bus. The map doesn't match what the actual place looks like, so there's like this big construction site in the way of the brewery, but hopefully I can go up this way and get there somehow. Well, I'm getting pretty close now, I think. There's where all the beer is coming from, and they got a sign here, Qingdao Brewery, so hopefully around this corner I can get into the entrance. Ah, cool, and this must be the place. Alright, and here we are in the home of Chinese beer. Nice. Alright, and now they have something called the drunk house. So apparently if I go in here, it'll show me what it's really like to be drunk. Oh crap. Oh no. Whoa, that's really legit. You really feel drunk. It's probably hard to convey on camera, but it's really cool. Alright, and now we're at the final part of the tour, and it's tasting time. I think we've got here Pilsner. This looks to be like maybe a lager, and this is a stout. So we'll give these a try. Okay. The Pilsner is really good. Yeah, I could drink that all day. I'm gonna give that like an 8 out of 10. Pretty solid. I don't like to mix beers though, so I'll finish that one and then review the others. Alright, and this one sort of tastes like a red ale. It was pretty good though. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And then we have this last one, which is the stout. Normally I don't like stouts, but this one's pretty good. Just tastes a bit like Vegemite. I'll give it like a 5 out of 10. Alright guys, I'm all finished at that beer museum. I'm a little bit tipsy, to be honest. They gave me like 4 beers. It's really cheap actually. You can do a bunch of different tours. I got one that comes with 4 beers, which was only like $16 or something. But you can do like a VIP tour for about $50, which comes with like 10 beers and food and everything. So definitely hit this place up if you're into beer, and if you're in China, it's really cool. But yeah, the museum was really interesting. It sort of went through the background about how Qingdao started out here. Pretty much back in 1897, the Germans invaded Qingdao, and it used to be just like a poor little fishing town, but those colonizing bastards set up like electricity and train lines and factories and shit, the bastards that they were. And one of those factories they set up was the Tsingtao Beer factory, and it was like the first proper modern beer factory in China. So they set that up, and the Germans were here until like 1914, the start of World War I. And so for like a bit less than 20 years, this city was a German colony. Very interesting. But then, you know, World War I broke out, and the Japanese took this city from the Germans. And then after World War I, the treaty was decided that the Japanese would get to keep Qingdao. So they turned it into like the Asahi brewery, and they still made Qingdao here, but they made like Asahi and Sapporo also. But obviously the Chinese were mad about that, so a few years after 1918, I think in 1922, something like that, they took Qingdao and the Qingdao brewery back from the Japanese, and then it was pretty much run by the Republic of China. And then when China became communist in 1949, it became a state-owned brewery. So the history was really interesting there. But yeah, overall the museum was awesome. Fucking trucks. I would totally rate that. It was better than the Cadbury Museum in Dunedin, for sure. But yeah, they pretty much showed the history of beer. They had like all the old factory components and how they used to make beer in the factory. I'll just bring up a little montage now of what sort of things you can see at the museum. But yeah, now I'm just gonna look for a place where I can buy the famous Qingdao beer in a bag. So we'll see if I can find that. Literally, just after I finished speaking that sentence, I found the beer in the bag place. But I kind of didn't understand the guy, so I accidentally bought the biggest one they had for like $15. So yeah, I feel like an alkie now. I think this is like 2 liters of beer, which I'm gonna have to finish. Oh, and I'm by myself. So degenerate.
6 hours later.
Alright guys, we're back at the hostel now. I'm just working on finishing my bag of beer. It's not going too well. But I'm about to go out soon and go to that street food market. So I put up a photo on Facebook. Let's check that shit out. Asking which gross food I should try. But people have said different things. Like someone said spider. Someone said scorpion, centipede. Effie said eat a waffle and trick everyone. So what I've done is made a little chart here. So 1 is maggots, 2 is spider, 3 scorpion, 4 grasshopper, 5 millipede, and 6 is waffle. So I'm hoping for a 6, but let's just roll the dice and see what I have to eat. And it's 2. So that is... oh my fucking god, no. 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 Oh, Jesus. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to eat the spider. I know. Maybe I can eat a leg or something, but... oh god, if I eat that whole thing, I'm gonna throw up. Oh well, let's do this. Alright guys, I know Google said to eat the spider, but I kind of pussied out a bit, and it was like too expensive. It was like $10 to buy the spider, so I didn't do that. I bought this instead. So this is a centipede or a millipede. I think it's a centipede because it doesn't have so many legs. But might just stop here, do a little close-up. And bon appetit, let's try this. Okay, it's not too bad. It kind of just tastes like a plant or something because they deep fry it so well. But yeah, it's pretty gross. I don't know if I'm actually going to finish this. I'll have one more bite for you guys. Oh. I'm so shit at doing this weird food thing. Right, sorry I couldn't eat the spider, it was too expensive. Plus, I knew I was just gonna throw it away anyway. But yeah. So, eating centipede. Anyway, all I really wanted to show you guys in Qingdao was the brewery, and the weird food kind of just came up per chance. So I'm all finished here, and this is actually the second to last city in China. The last one I'll be in is Beijing. So yeah, I'm on my way there tomorrow, and I'm sure that'll be a good vlog going to see the Great Wall and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you for watching this one, and be sure to subscribe, like the video if you're enjoying these, and we'll see you for the last China vlog in Beijing. See you later.